Hey, this is John Young. Take a look at this. This is the Bissell. This is the big green. This is their deep cleaning professional carpet machine right here from Bissell. And what we're doing is we've got a bedroom here, and this area that you're seeing right here is where our dog would crawl under the bunk beds, and that's where she would like to sleep. And as you can see, after a few months of that, the carpet was really dirty. And we pulled this out, we started using it, we're thinking, you know, you guys need to see what the green machine can do here, because this is really quite impressive. They got the chemical and everything is all loaded up. Lori's got it ready to go, and we're going to go back and forth here just a little bit so you get an idea of what this can do. It's a very compact unit, easy to use, and yeah, let's see what it can do. And you can definitely see the before and the after. And of course, the person will have to go through and do it a little bit more back and forth, but just to give you an idea of what just a pass or so can do. You've got the tank, the reservoir for the dirty water, you've got the clean water, it can be sprayed on, and it sucks it right back out and such. With a little bit of a fan afterwards, the carpet will dry, and this will be looking absolutely fabulous. So just to give you an idea of what the Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaning Machine can do, we'll put a link in the description below. Go check it out online. This is John Young. Thanks for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.